I was doing interior design for a really long while, and in interior design you always need to be a little bit creative with other things. I was always making things, making invitations, doing creative things. So when we moved here, I got a lot more time. So I just wondered if I could paint, try and learn to paint. And it was Kathy Hawkins's class that came up at the Animal Flower Cave. This was me using Tracy Williams's products. So I used the crackle paste to crackle the edges. So I did all the edges in crackle, and then just tried to use paste to do the flowers to keep it very simple. This is my day. He's boxing. But this is done with a sponge because I spent a lot of time doing fine, detailed paintwork, and so I wanted to free up a bit. I like to do something freer.